A very good morning to all my dear students. I would like to take class before starting my heavy assignment. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all the times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Now, I am going to start our assignment. The topic is number names from 36 to 40. Number names from 36 to 40. Okay, let's start. 36. THIRTY 30. SIX 36. THIRTY 30. SIX 36. THIRTY 30. SEVEN 7 37. THIRTY 30. SEVEN 7 37. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 8 38. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 8 38. THIRTY 30. NINE 9 39. THIRTY 30. NINE 9 39. FORTY 40. Okay, let's repeat again. THIRTY 30. SIX 36. THIRTY 30. SEVEN 7 37. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 8 38. THIRTY 30. NINE 9 39. FORTY 40. FORTY 40. But now you have to write these number names on your fair notebooks with neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Clear? Clear to everyone? Better now you have to write these number names on your fair notebooks with neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Now, from your book Math Mania, page number 32. Beta, in this page you have to observe the things which is greater, which are greater. Okay, like which number is greater, you have to mark the sign. This is the sign of greater than. Okay, this is the sign of greater than. Okay, like this is 8 and this is 6. These are 8 mangoes in this box, and in this box these are 6 mangoes. So which is greater number? 8 is greater. So we will mark the sign here, greater than. 8 is greater. Clear beta? And same here. These are 10 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 pencils. These are 8 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8. Okay, so 10 is greater. So we will mark the sign here, greater, because 10 is greater than 8. Okay, we will mark here the sign of greater than. Okay, in this box these are 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write 7 here. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 umbrellas. We will write here 6. These are 7. These are 6. So, which is greater number? This is 7 is greater. So, we will mark sign greater. Greater than. Okay. Because 7 is greater than 6. Clear? Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We will write 11 here. These are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will write 8 here. Which one is greater number? 11 is greater number. 11 is greater than 8. 11 is greater than 8. So, we will mark here the sign of greater than. Clear? To the side of 11. Clear? Because this is greater number than 8. Okay? Clear to everyone? Okay, beta, bye.